Hey there, it's Liz from No Trace, and today I'm going to show you 12 different ways to use a vegan wax wrap. If you have a beeswax wrap, you can use it in these same ways also. So let's go. Number one is to cover a jar that lost its lid. This is one of my favorite ways to use a vegan wax wrap. And you can use a small size for this. So just wrap it on the jar and press it. And it'll keep whatever's in your jar nice and fresh. Number two is if you have a plate of leftover food or you want to send a guest home with some leftovers, a vegan wax wrap, a larger size works great to cover a plate of leftovers. So just wrap it around your plate and press those edges. And then you can save the dinner for another time or send your friend home with some yummy leftovers. And this is a larger size wrap, so you'll want a bigger one for plates. Number three is to cover a bowl. So if you have some leftovers in your bowl, leftover salad or soup, a vegan wax wrap works great. Just wrap it around your bowl, press down the edges, and it'll keep great in your fridge like this, or you could travel with your bowl covered to a party or a potluck. Number four is to wrap up half of an apple, or if you have half of an onion or half of a lemon, just use your small wrap, get it in there, push down, and you will help keep that fresh in your fridge. Another great way to use your wax wrap is to wrap up some fresh greens or fresh herbs. Keep them in your fridge. And they preserve nicely in one of these guys. So these are some fresh greens from the garden. Number six is to open a stubborn jar. So if you have a jar lid that's really stuck on there, put your wax wrap on top and just twist, and it'll come off way easier than just using your bare hand. Number seven is to wrap a bouquet of homegrown flowers. So if you want to take a bouquet of flowers over to a friend, you can use your vegan wax wrap to wrap them up, keep them fresh, and your bouquet looks super cute. Number eight is use your vegan wax wrap to cover a casserole dish of food. I have really large ones in my shop and they work perfectly to cover a casserole dish. If you're taking it over to someone's house or you just want to keep your leftovers in their dish in the fridge, just wrap your vegan wax wrap, use some pressure to make it stick, and it'll stay fresh in your fridge. Number nine, use your vegan wax wrap to wrap up your sandwich. So just put your sandwich inside, fold your vegan wax wrap over, and use just a little bit of pressure to make it stick without crushing your sandwich. And then you can take it with you wherever you need to go. Number 10, you can use your vegan wax wrap to tote around some nuts or some granola and keep it in your bag and keep it fresh and keep it from rolling around on your other stuff. So just wrap it up nice and tight, and it should stay pretty secure in your bag. Number 11 is use your vegan wax wrap as a placemat on the table to help your little ones keep their crumbs contained. You can put a plate right on top and it even sticks to it a bit. You can also use it under a cutting board to help your cutting board from moving around. So using it as a placemat or under your cutting board. And finally, you can use your vegan wax wrap to preserve vegan cheese. If you get blocks or slices of vegan cheese and it comes in plastic packaging that falls apart, just pop it into a vegan wax wrap and fold it up. And give it a little pressure and it'll stay closed and preserve your vegan cheese in your fridge for you. So there you have it. That's 12 different ways to use your vegan wax wrap. I hope you found these tips helpful. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be back soon with another tutorial for living a low-waste life. See you then. Bye.